Under California Vehicle Code Section 40508, subsection A, it is a misdemeanor, which is a criminal offense, for failing to appear on your scheduled court date or failing to pay bail on your traffic ticket or citation. This is true even if the original traffic violation was just an infraction. By missing your court date, you are inviting a litany of problems, which can potentially include additional fines, a hold or suspension on your driver's license, a bench warrant for your arrest, a misdemeanor conviction, and jail time. Generally, it happens like this. You get pulled over by the police, and then the officer fills out a citation which lists one or more of the alleged traffic violations, and at the very bottom of that citation, there is a court date. You're required to sign this citation, and by doing so, you are in effect giving a legally binding written promise that you will show up to court on your scheduled court date in exchange for not being taken to jail. So as long as you show up or a lawyer shows up on your scheduled court date, or if you decide not to fight the ticket and pay for it right away, which I would never recommend doing, you're never going to have a problem with California Vehicle Code Section 40508 subsection A. However, if you miss your scheduled court date or you fail to deal with your ticket by the due date, the court will add a brand new failure to appear charge to your case. This is serious business for a number of reasons. Number one, a failure to appear charge is a misdemeanor violation, which is a criminal offense, which means it will end up on your criminal record. Number two, there is a hefty civil assessment fine, which is attached to a failure to appear charge because courts hate it when people miss their scheduled court dates. Number three, when a failure to appear charge is added to your case, the court will contact the California DMV and in many cases will get the DMV to issue a hold on your driver's license or have it suspended altogether. And number four, when a failure to appear charge is added to your case, the court will typically issue a warrant for your arrest. This is called a 40508 warrant, and it gets listed on the DMV records and many court websites. Since a 40508 warrant is issued only because of the addition of a new failure to appear charge, getting the warrant recalled is only part of the solution. You still have to deal with the warrant. You still have to deal with the original underlying case. You still have to deal with the hold or suspension on your driver's license through the DMV, and you have to deal with the failure to appear charge. As you can see, this is a big mess now. And to think this was originally just a traffic ticket, and because you missed your court date, it's turned into something a lot worse. So it's incredibly important that you clear up this failure to appear charge as soon as possible so you can get your driver's license back. But you've got to act immediately. The same goes if you have a warrant out for your arrest. By driving around with a warrant, you're essentially playing roulette. So if you get arrested on the side of the road for that warrant, your car is going to get impounded, which is going to add to the cost and misery of this whole experience. And this is especially true if you end up losing your girlfriend or your boyfriend's car when you're on your way to work. So if you've missed your scheduled Los Angeles County traffic court date and you have a failure to appear, a bench warrant out for your arrest, or a hold on your driver's license, or all three, call me, Los Angeles criminal defense attorney Damian Siwek. I can help.